everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make sake churhan in 5 minutes. It's Meal for One series today, and today's menu is sake churhan, salmon fried rice. I'm not sure if I can call it fried rice because I'm not frying it. But anyway, it tastes exactly like fried rice. Another super easy dish. At the end of the video, as usual, I'm going to show you how I built a menu with this sake churhan, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make one serving. 1 portion rice pack, 1 egg, 100 grams of salmon flakes, either homemade or store-bought one in a jar like this, some salt and pepper, garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. I'm using rice oil today. And some green onion or chive. Prepare food container, rather big like this. Crack the egg. Vegetable oil. Some salt and pepper. Little bit of garlic paste. And mix it well. And 1 portion rice pack straight out from the fridge, so it's cold and hard. Remove the film. And just put it on top. And microwave this for 2 minutes without lid, 600 watts. The egg is like 80% cooked and 20% uncooked. Let's give it a good mix. Like this. Add salmon flakes. And using kitchen scissors, let's slice some green onion straight into the container so that you don't have to use knife and cutting board. Give it a mix. And microwave this one more time. This time, just 1 minute at 600 watts. No lid. Egg is completely cooked and it's nice and fluffy. Let's serve in the bowl. And sake churhan for one is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It took only 5 minutes to cook, but it tastes exactly like proper fried rice or even better. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Sake churhan goes here, and it contains enough protein, so let's pass the main. It's just you and you don't want to spend too much time cooking just for yourself. So let's have instant miso soup here, some easy salad or pickles to refresh your palate here, and let's forget about the other side. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!